Hi and welcome to Hefner Castle Model Railway. Now this layout is going to be something different to what I've done before. I like doing different things. The reason why this one is going to be different is because it's going to be a little bit certificate 12, and what I mean by that is I'm going to have Preiser and Knock figures on here which are a little bit raunchy, sexy ladies, nude bathers, that sort of thing. So what is the theme of this model? Well, I imagine that this is Hugh Hefner's Playboy retreat. This is Hefner Castle. And instead of modelling the Playboy mansion, which I was going to do, I found this castle model at a show and I thought this is terrific. And I've detailed it up just a little bit further. But it didn't need too much. It was mostly there. And it is a really nice thing. Perfect for what I've got in mind. So it's going to sit on a layout that's very small, only 40 inches by 20 inches deep. It's going to be an end-to-end layout with a bit of track that's Y-shaped. So it's raised up here and then the land is going to slope down towards a beach area on the front. And the railway track will go here past the castle and then split into two, the Y shape. One branch will stop just about here and that's the terminus, that's the end of the line where people can get out to go to the castle. But the other end will go on a line to here, which terminates about here. Now, that is, move that little thing there. The end of the line will come here, and there, that piece of the line will be on stilts over the sea. There might be a little bit of sea here, over the beach, and people can also alight there. Have a little mini platform they can alight there down steps to the beach. So this is the Hefner retreat for the Playboy girls and the Playboys to all meet and have fun, do whatever they do. So a bit of a fun layout based on the Knock and Preiser figures that are those sort of themes. I just thought it would be an interesting thing to do. Not really one for the shows. I don't want to generate any complaints. But this will be fun to make and fun to own for a little while, and I'll put up some YouTube videos too. So a fairly simple, small, automated end-to-end layout with either an American locomotive, or I might set it in Europe, in which case it might have a European locomotive. Either way, it's HO scale. So there you go, Hefner Castle. Come here, Neon. It's my cat, he's just come in. Come here. Come on. Yeah, he's coming to have a look. He wants to say hello. You want to get on telly? There you go. This is Neon. Gorgeous cat, aren't you? This is loft insulation foam, 50mm thick, nearly 2 inches. Now normally I build on this. This is very rigid and strong, as long as you don't take the silver off. Although you can take the silver off once you've strengthened it up with 2x1 inch batons of wood underneath. So I glue those to the foam board like that. And then I screw them to each other. And that gives the whole thing rigidity. Okay, so that would be all around the edge, and then on the other side you can take the silver off and it won't then bend. What I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to actually build on the wood, so I'm going to put some 2x1 batoning under this wood as a framework to give that strength, and then I'm going to put this on top. Now the reason I'm doing that is to give the castle some height. and then I'm going to cut away at this foam board and bring it down to the level of the wood, and the wood will be at sea level and beach level, and the rest will be a raised sort of land area with a slight cliff down to the sea. So a slightly different technique. I'm using the foam board as a layer that I can channel into, I can cut into, and it's quite good if you want to make lakes or rivers or things like that too. So there we are, that's this baseboard part done. I put a handle on as well. This T-bar here just gives it strength in the middle, and now I need to screw on two sides and the back piece, and then that'll look like that's pretty much done. And there we are, that's the baseboard box made. I've made a front cover and a top cover that are joined together that just slot on over to protect it when it's in storage. And now I'm ready to start the modelling of Hefner Castle.